again, guys, we have here now the A3 MQB as well, 2017 with the keyless ignition, with the keyless key. I showed you in my previous video how to put the ignition on. So here onto the steering lock you just need to remove the connector, make a short circuit on the 3 wires right here, and then you're gonna have the ignition on. I found also a new solution from one of my subscribers. He left me a comment that I can read, I can collect the data much more quicker, and I download the MK3 collection data. So all you have to do, you just connect your VVDI2, plug into the OBD, put the ignition on. Then I will do it again. So go to diagnostic unit. You go to the engine. You go to customer request. Then you press MK3 collection. We're gonna select engine, and as you see, all is gonna collect automatic, and it's gonna be much more quicker. I'm gonna put engine collect. Okay, we're gonna save it on the desktop. Perfect. Now we close this. We go to instrument clusters, customer request, and then instrument. And look, it's a few seconds. Instrument. Perfect. Instrument collect. All done. Now we can close this, and we can go now to the because it's a automatic gearbox, we have to go to gearbox. Where it is? Gearbox is right here. Gearbox, you can collect the same as the engine. Customer request, engine they are the same codes, and just we're just gonna save it as a gearbox. And that's perfect. Save it. We're gonna do the EEPROM again using the MQB adapters. Let's see if that's gonna work, and we're gonna wait then for the sync data. Perfect, guys. So today we're gonna use MQB adapter. It's MQB 3532 BGA adapter A. I connect already everything here. FLMD, the 3 volts on your VVDI Prog, 12 volts power into the VVDI adapter, 12 volts into the VVDI Prog. That's the diagram right here. Let's press read. Let's see if that's gonna read it. Perfect, start reading. The car I forgot to specify, it's an Audi A3 2017 keyless key. Let's wait for reading, and then I'll get back to you. Perfect, Immo data has been read, information has been read. No, we need to save it on the desktop. Go on your VVDI2 on keylearn, MQB Immobilizer, instrument with locked neck 35. Then press decode Immo data. Let's upload the data. Is this one? Wait for a few seconds to calculate the Immo data. For the people who doesn't know about the VVDI2, you need to pay a subscription. It's about $200, I think, and it's forever, so you can use it anytime. There is no tokens or something like that for it. And make sure you have a good connection on your internet. Perfect. We're gonna save it as an emo data Audi A3. Save it, send all the data to the guy that I showed you in my previous video, and get the sync data. And I will do this as well, and I will get back to you when I will have the synchronized data, and I will show you how to program the key as well. Hello guys, so I just got the data. Let's learn the key. Antenna, it has to be out. You need to put the key close to the antenna. Press a few times on the start stop button. Then let's load the data. Okay, one key, keyless key. Yeah. Okay, put the key next to the antenna. It just detects the dealer key. You have to press on this message, you have to press no. Come on. Yep. No, and it will start learning the key. So it's gonna show 0.1 one by one. Oh, come on. Let me try again. So add the key, load emo data. Yeah, we have the message now. Just wait until you see the message with the key learning successful on your VVDI Prog. Perfect, all keys successfully learned. Let's try now. All done. Perfect, everything is working. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, and if you need any help, you can leave me a comment. Have a nice day, guys.